Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome, and if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and like this video right now. So today we'll be designing this logo that we are seeing right here, this amazing logo that we are seeing right here. So this is a masterclass though. Welcome to this masterclass. Okay, now good. So this is what we are going to design. Now let's get to work. I like to put to bring in my design, maybe type or sample of my design, so that it will be easier for me to just check through and see and design what I actually want to design. So the first thing that we are going to do is to change the color, background color, give it a background color which is white. Also, it is the same. All I do is just I slant my phone, so that's I put my phone in horizontal, not vertical. So that's just the difference. So it is the same thing. So if you are designing with vertical, so now, so this is what you want to achieve. This is what you want to achieve. So the first thing is the circle. Is the circle. So let's see how we get this circle. Come here to the middle icon and look for shape. Middle icon. Okay, yes, wait. Deselect deselect that one, then come here and look for shape. Good. Then we choose circle. Click here to choose circle. Then we mark before we mark, let's apply stroke. We need stroke. So we need stroke. Good. So the background, let's give the background another color so that we can see what we are designing. Let's give it green. Let's give it green. Oh, this okay, good. So now to the shape. So now edit shape. You still want to edit some things in that shape. So now you reduce the opacity for the fill. So reduce the opacity so that white will go off. Then reduce the stroke and put it in what we need. So that is what we need. Let's say 10. 10 is okay. Or 9. Yes, 10 is okay. That's good. Put the opacity on. Then you give it any color you want to give it. Let's just put black for now. Shall we? Yes, choose black for now. Let's choose black for now, then increase it and put it at the center. Let's put it at the center, relative position, put that center, good. So what we want to do is to copy. Well, let's copy that for the circle at the middle. So we copy it and we draw it a little bit inner. So we can increase this a little bit and put it at center. This is what we are forming. Okay, so let's put this one to at center. Same thing. Put it at center. I press these two so that we can have it at center. So mark. So that's good. That's what we have. Let's lock the bigger circle. Let's lock it. So this is where we can lock it. We've locked bigger circle. Lock the circle. Let's bring this one to front. Let's bring it to front. Bring to front. Bring to front. Good. So what next we want to achieve is to how do we cut that area out. So watch closely. I will show you how we do that now. So now you click on the middle icon and select shape. Select that and select shape. So when you select shape, you choose square. Square is okay without any stroke. You don't need to apply any stroke. Increase, and we should reduce it to uh, the size of the cut area. So you get it. So let me reduce to the size of the cut area in the inner circle. Inner circle. So this is what we have there. Yes, this is what we have there. So then I will centralize it to put it at relative position, then centralize. So press on these two again, then you mark. So what you do now is to merge. So we need to merge the new rectangle, the square. There's this rectangle right now and the small circle only. So we need to merge both of them. You need to merge both of them. So this is the small circle. This is the small circle. You see that we don't lock it, so you need to merge this small circle and this new rectangle. So how do we merge? How do you merge? What you do is that click on this small thing here. So when you click on it, then you know what it needs to do. So when you click, so it will give us space to select. So then select what you want to merge. Select the small circle and that rectangle. Then you come here and pick the middle icon here. This middle icon. Since has two box in with arrow inside, then you click on it. Are you sure you want to merge this? Yes, you want to merge the selected object. So we have merged the two. So we have merged the two. Maybe let's hide this one for now so that it won't confuse us. Let's hide. So can you see we have merged the two? We have merged the two. So what next is to click on that uh merge object. It's now in the object, so you click on the middle and look for erase color. Can you see erase color? This is it. Then you choose erase color. Then you click on it. Then you enable this color. Can you see? So that white part will clear the will give us that box. So we have achieved that successfully. We've achieved that successfully. So now the next thing is to put test. So let's apply test. Let's apply test. Edit. So what is the test is capital letter online. Well, this is it. Online master, which is my brand name. So this channel name, which is this channel name, online master. What next is that we look for curve. Yes, this curve. This is curve. So we want to curve. We want to curve the. So we curve it to meet the what we need. So but before that, let's first of all change the font. Let's change the font. Let's go to font and change the font. Do I remember the font I use? Yes, I use this font. So I use that font. So let me copy that one too and edit it. Then I put graphics here. Graphics. Graphics done. So okay. So let's curve this one very well to what we need. Good, good. Yes, it's okay this way. It's okay this way. So we still need to increase the font size. Need to increase the font size. Let's increase the font size a bit and draw to the middle. Make sure it is at the middle. Okay, fine. So the next one is we have to curve this one too. But the other way around. So you curve this one up. Curve this one upward. So we need to increase the size too. Let's increase the size. What size do we use for this one? 40 limit. So I will adjust that. And this two to be 45, the same font size. So use your position to position this way. Good. And make sure it's at the center too. At the center. So I'm pressing only the top, this one right now. So then mark and choose the one to be at the center too. Good. So let's bring back what we are designing. Let's bring it back. Good. So this is what we are designing. So let's bring it to front. Let's bring it to front so that to front. Good. So this is what we want to achieve, and we have already achieved. Next, the the graphics part. We have right graphics design. Graphics. So the next thing is to bring this. Now we go to gallery. Let's put this one down here. Then gallery, click on add. Then from gallery, let's search for the good gallery. From gallery, I will search for this. This is the icon that I use. It's a PNG format. I download it online. So So I just reduce the size. Don't worry about the color. Don't worry about the color. Just put it in. So then you come to position and put it at the center too. Put it at the center too. So I still use position to draw it a little bit so that I will have it at the very middle of the circle. So it's okay this way. So let's check what we are doing. Good, fantastic. So right now I think we are all done with all we need to do. All done, we have put we are all done with what we need to do. So all we have to do now right now is to merge everything together. If you want to merge everything together, except this one, we won't merge this one because this is our design. We want to merge everything that is here together. So click here and merge. I sure want to merge. Okay, good. So we are good to go. So we have merged everything together. So can you see we can bring it here and choose. So this is our design. These are the design. Make sure you have set everything you want to do. You have put everything you want to put in place before you merge. Because if you made any mistake, you need to go back. You need to undo everything that you have done before you can edit it. So right now it is an object. So you can't take text alone anymore. So what we are going to do is go to click on the icon at the middle, then put it at the center, put it at the center. So good. So right now we have to apply texture. So can you see that this code that you have that you see is a texture? Is a texture that I download online. So I want to bring that to front so that you can see it well. Bring to front, good. So this is it. So I've downloaded this gold icon, so I will just look for it and put it. So you select the logo, the logo. So come to the middle icon, then click on texture. Click on texture. You will be able to find this no matter how you place your phone, either you put it horizontally or vertically. You will surely see it. This is the code that I use. So this is the code that I use. Then you mark. Good. Can you see that it has applied? So you click on enable ratio, then scale this. I think I put this somewhere here. Yes, 100 I think. Let me see. So texture, 100, yes. Then you mark. I want to have exactly what I designed. So this is how I do it. I don't enable main ratio, so I just mark and you're good to go. So you can change this background to black. So then we change this background. So the next thing now is to change this background to black. So how do you do that? Click on the third this icon here, this double square on each other. So then you click on from gallery, from gallery. So anything you pick on that icon from gallery will affect the background, as I said. So good. Can you see? We have can you see we have replicate what we have here, exactly what we have, exactly what we have here. Can you see? So this is so just let's hide this. Let's hide this one and finish up with this. Let's hide. Yes, good. We have hide that. So now let's finish up with this one. Good. So right now, the next thing I do right now is to click select. Then you choose. I choose 3D shape. So I enable 3D shape perspective and I reduce the depth. Yes, I reduce the depth. Then darken. Put darken that way. Then you can select this one based on your choice. You can put it this way. So the intensity I increase the intensity, a bit. Shadow, yes, I apply shadow. Yes, I apply shadow. Apply shadow. So shadow, then sharp hardness. Sharp hardness should be is okay at 34. There's what next? What next? Let's come to 3D rotate and rotate. 3D rotate, then I rotate it this way. Then I rotate it this way. This way. So let's go back to 3D and 3D shape. Yes, 3D shape and shadow. I don't want shadow. Then just mark. I come to shadow and select black shadow. So I want to select black shadow for this one. Yes, shadow should be in black. Shadow should be in black. Oh, where's black color safe? This is it. Yes, black shadow then. Yes, now then I rotate the shadow this way. I rotate the shadow. See the X. You can remember that I rotate the uh this so that it seems as if it stay on that wall. So that's why I rotate it that way. So I rotate the shadow in that same way too. So that's it. Then I put everything at center. At center, we are good to go. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you subscribe and like this video. Just give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. So I'm sure you enjoy this. So we have replicate what we have. We have replicate what we have here. We have replicate what we have here. Can you see? That is it. We have replicate exactly what we have. Yes. So let's delete this one. Let's delete this one. Yes. So these are the center and save. Put this at the center and we save. So how do you save? Just save in. Let's first of all save as project. Then you save as image. How do you save as image? PNG format. Then you choose ultra. You choose ultra to give you best quality. Then you save as gallery. So we immediately have our design in a gallery. Fantastic. So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and like this video and comment in the comment box. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.